Assalamu alaikum, I'm Manar from Morocco and you're watching Rockistani Reactions. In today's video, I'll react to a video by Epic Explorer, Noah's Ark found in Turkey. What they found inside will shock you. So Noah alayhi salam की जो शिप था या सफ़ीना या क्या बोलते हैं उसको उर्दू में, वो तुर्की में मिल गया है और उसके अंदर जो मिल गया है वो आपको हैरान कर देगा. ये वीडियो का टाइटल है. So let's start the video. 1, 2, 3.
Dear brother and sisters, the 5,000-year-old Noah's Ark has been found in Turkey. What came out of it was such that everyone was surprised to see it. The question is also, why did Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan keep this ship hidden from the world? In today's valuable video, we are going to tell you amazing facts about Noah's Ark. So be sure to watch the video from beginning to end. And if you are new to the channel, subscribe to it too. So let's start. Dear viewers, the remains of the nations mentioned in the Holy Quran are still present in the world today. Allah punished these people severely for their disobedience, denying God's existence, mistreating prophets and their followers. The Quran mentions these stories to guide and warn us Muslims. Hazrat Noah is also called the second Adam because everything except the members of his family and the animals in the ark prepared by Allah was drowned in the water. 8 people were on board Noah's ark. Hazrat Noah, his wife, 3 sons and sows were pairs of other different types of animals. The story of Noah is also found in the previous heavenly books, the Torah, the Psalms and the Bible. Scientists have been looking for Noah's Ark for a long time. Non-Muslim scientists asked the question that if the flood of Noah came and Noah took a few humans and pairs of all the animals in the world on a giant ark and escaped from the worst punishment of water, then where did that ark go, in which all these creatures traveled? Recently, a team of Chinese Christian missionaries and scientists announced the conclusion of their months-long research, claiming that they had found the historical Ark of Noah. The Ark was found on Mount Ararat, located in eastern Turkey. The peak of the mountain is 12,000 feet high. The team of experts said that the Ark has 3 floors. The Ark is buried under several meters of snow. For the past 200 years, more than a dozen teams have been searching for Noah's Ark, which is mentioned in the Holy Quran as having crashed into the top of a mountain called Judi. American scientists have denied the report of Chinese experts. They say that the wood samples from the ark that were sent for forensic examination are not old enough to say with confidence that it is the Ark of Noah's era, while the Chinese team of experts claims that they are 99% sure that it is the same ark that Noah built 48,000 years ago by the order of God. Experts say that the ark has 3 floors and it also has several large rooms, and there are wooden pillars in those rooms. Arab newspapers also raised questions about whether this is really Noah's Ark. Arab newspapers wrote that Chinese and Turkish Christian experts also studied the verses of the Holy Quran for their research, which describe the journey of the ark. Experts say that the location of the ark's landing, which has been identified, leads scientists to Mount Ararat. In the past 20 years, many scientists have visited Mount Ararat, and some of them have even identified the rock-shaped ship on the mountain as Noah's Ark. But Chinese and Turkish experts conducted research at this snowy location on the mountain where the temperature is minus 60 degrees, and the part of the mountain where the remains of the ark were discovered is extremely steep and dangerous. According to the report, the team observed Noah's Ark from 60 different locations. The ship is broken at several places. However, it did not completely destroy because it is buried in a thick layer of snow. Due to the broken ship, experts were able to enter it. Dear viewers, Chinese expert Dean Cheng held a press conference to officially inform the public about his research. A Chinese expert who inspected the ship said that each room on the ship is 5 meters high. Any animal can easily fit in it. Chinese experts observed the pieces of the ship with radiocarbon technology and claimed that it is 4,800 years old. Several boxes were also found in the ship, but Chinese experts could not open them. The experts are going to visit Mount Ararat again, with modern equipment and X-ray machines. In addition to uncovering all the secrets, they will also be able to answer the questions of American scientists. The claim of discovering the Noah's Ark is not new. During World War II, a British soldier named Leonard went to Iraq to participate in the war. Leonard was very interested in history and archaeology. Therefore, he started buying and collecting various artifacts in the markets of Iraq. When Leonard passed away, his son Simon inherited his belongings. Simon donated these belongings to the British Museum. A British archaeologist named Irving Finkel examined these belongings. One of the items was a tablet written in the ancient Assyrian language. When Finkel translated the tablet, he was amazed. The tablet said that when humans became too sinful, God became angry with them and decided to drown the sinners. Then, angels delivered God's message to a righteous man named Noah, who lived in the Tigris and Euphrates Valley. God commanded Noah to build an ark and to bring aboard not only righteous people, but also a pair of every living creature. The tablet described the ark as being so large that it was the size of a football stadium. Experts estimate that the tablet is 4,000 years old, or 200 years before Jesus Christ. So, this way, another solid proof of Noah's flood has already fallen into the hands of the world. Generally, the deniers of religion, especially Islam, consider these events to be fictional stories. All these evidences are enough to open their eyes. It is also written on this tablet that Noah's Ark was not as long as today's ships, but it was egg-shaped. In those days, ships of this style used to run in the Tigris and Euphrates. About the location of the ship's landing, it is stated in Surah Hud, verse number 44 of the Holy Quran, that it stopped on a high mountain, Judi. The ancient inhabitants of Iraq and Syria in the Babylonian period believed that Noah's Ark had landed on Mount Garda. This famous mountain is located near the island of Ibn Omar. This place is also now part of Turkey. However, the border of Iraq is adjacent to it. Muslim historians have considered Mount Garda as the landing site of Noah's Ark. That is why this mountain became famous among Muslims as Mount Judi. Christian missionaries say that the ship landed on Mount Ararat, and this mountain is located on the border of Armenia and Turkey. Hazrat Noah was given the title of second Adam, in addition to Sheikh of the Prophets, because he was the first prophet sent to humanity. His name is mentioned 73 times in the Holy Quran. He lived for 900 years, making him the longest lived of all the prophets. Hazrat Noah was sent to the people of a nation that lived in what is now Iraq. When his people did not abandon their rebellion, despite much preaching and advice, he asked Allah for punishment for his people. Allah ordered him to build a ship. The ship was completed in 2 years, measuring 300 cubits long, 50 cubits wide, and 30 cubits high. When the punishment came, it rained continuously from the sky, and springs gushed from the earth. Everything was drowned in water. Noah's ship floated on the water for 6 months and 8 days, and then landed on Mount Judi on the 10th of Muharram. The water continued to recede for many days. After that, when the land appeared, Hazrat Noah built the city of Khorasan and built a mosque called Samani. Hazrat Noah lived for only 60 years after the flood. His shrine is still present in Lebanon today. So viewers, we have full hope that you will like this video very much today. If you like the video, please like it and share it with your other friends. Subscribe to our channel to watch such informative videos.
So हज़रत नूह अलैहिस्सलाम की स्टोरी जो है वो कुरान में उसका ज़िक्र है, और जो अभी इस वीडियो के मुताबिक कि वो जो शिप है नूह अलैहिस्सलाम का वो डिस्कवर हो गया है और मिल गया है, तो वो जो है ये एक बड़ा दलील है या बड़ा प्रूफ है उन लोगों के लिए जो कहते हैं कि कुरान में सिर्फ कहानियाँ हैं और फिक्शनल स्टोरीज़ है जिनका रियलिटी से कोई लेना देना नहीं है, वो सिर्फ स्टोरियाँ हैं, कहानियाँ हैं। जैसे वो इंडियन यूट्यूबर ने बोला है, उसका नाम था ध्रुव राठी, जिसने कहा था कि ये जो हैं जितने भी कुरान में या बाइबल में कहानियाँ लिखी हुई हैं ये सिर्फ फिक्शनल कहानियाँ हैं और ये रियल नहीं हो सकती। تو یہ ان نان بلیورز کے لیے ایک بڑا پروف ہے کہ جو بھی قرآن میں لکھا ہوا ہے وہ سچ ہے، اور یہ صرف کہانیاں نہیں ہے، یہ سچ ہے، واقعی ہوا ہے. اور آج اگر سچ ثابت نہیں ہوا یا مطلب پروف نہیں کیا گیا تو بعد میں لازمی پروف کیا جائے گا. اور ہم بلیورز کے لیے جو ہے صرف قرآن سے پڑھنا کافی ہے بلیو رکھنے کے لیے، کیونکہ قرآن جو ہے یہ کسی انسان کا کتاب نہیں، یہ خدا کا کلام ہے، خدا کا پیغام ہے. تو اس میں ایک ایک لفظ جو ہے وہ سچا ہے، اور ہمیں اس کی کوئی پروف کی ضرورت نہیں ہے. لیکن نان بلیورز کے لیے پروف کی ضرورت ہے، کیونکہ وہ بلیو نہیں رکھتے قرآن پہ، وہ نہیں مانتے کہ جو قرآن میں لکھا ہوا ہے وہ سچ ہے. تو ان کے لیے ایسے پروفز جو ہیں وہ ہو سکتا ہے کہ یہ ان کے لیے ایک ہدایت کا ذریعہ ہو. یہ تھی آج کی ویڈیو. امید ہے کہ آپ سب کو پسند آئی ہوگی. ملتے ہیں انشاءاللہ نیکسٹ ویڈیو میں. ٹل دیر اپنا بہت خیال رکھیے گا. فی امان اللہ.
میں نے دیکھا پاکستان جہاں سے میرا دھرتی پہ